Welcome to this tutorial on how you can be able to claim your airdrop. Now, claiming airdrops are very easy, and take note, all airdrops are free except if you decide to buy some. All right, and for those who have been complaining that they cannot be able to get referrals to clear these things out, it's very simple, very simple. Now, Trust Wallet app permits you to have maximum of 15 wallets. This is what I mean. Go to settings. Click on wallets. Look at all my wallets. You can see them here. 15 in number. 15 wallets all. Each of them helps me to claim airdrops at every point in time. Alright? And I used to have BNB because the first thing to start with is make sure you have smart chain, BNBs in your smart chain. Just like, for example, the account I'm going to use now to show you how to do this airdrop claiming. Let me use a wallet 9. I have money in other ones, but let me use this wallet 9. You can see, you will notice I have smart chain. Look at how much I have there. Just $1.55. That alone can help me to claim this airdrop. And take note, the money you are using to claim this airdrop is just a transaction fee. Not you are paying for it, no. You need to pay transaction fees, token transaction fee that is not even up to $1 to get your airdrops. So take note how I'm going to go about doing this now. So please try and create as many wallets from this your Trust Wallet app. It's allowed. Then make sure you have BNB smart chain in all of them, if possible, for $2, $3, $5, so that it can be used to claim as many times as you want. Now let us move ahead now to claiming this airdrop. Now the airdrop we're going to claim now. Let me go and get this. This is the airdrop here. So take note, the first one here is the link. There's a difference between the link and the contract address. With the link, you will go to the website of the token and claim the airdrop. Then if by paraventure the airdrop did not physically show up in your Trust Wallet, then that is where you now apply the contract address. So we will now come back, copy the contract address, now search for it. Just take note, let's go ahead and work out this first. Now we'll copy the address, the claim or airdrop address, which is the first link up. Then we'll go back to our Trust Wallet. Let me put my password because the system is locked with password. So we're here now. So the first point of contact is your DApp. That's where we're going to now. So we have copied that link. Go to DApp. When your DApp opens, tap this search bar up. Look at the search bar up. Paste that link you have copied. Just like I used to share it in the room. Copy it like that. Paste it here. Tap on it and let your keyboard opens. Then go to enter or done in your search bar. Now, as it's opening now, we are going to click here, immediately up. We're going to click up here. Let me highlight it so I'm going to see it. We're going to click up here again because you notice what we have here is what we have on the website is Ethereum logo, which means it's connected to Ethereum now, or it's about to connect to Ethereum. So we need to remove it and connect it to Binance Smart Chain. So tap there, select Binance Smart Chain, let it connect. So let us wait while it's connecting. So it's about to connect. Now it says connect DApp. All right. So we click on connect, the blue button. Let it connect. So you can see this thing is now connected now. The website has now connected to our smart chain address. As simple as that. It's automated. So that's wallet, our Trust Wallet, where we are connecting from, where we have that smart chain. We have just linked it to. You can see the address. I've just cycled the address out. So the next thing is just scroll, go to airdrop, because that's what we are looking for. You just come to this place, tap on it and click on airdrop. But if you decide also to buy, you can click buy tokens and type how much you have, but make sure you have the equivalent amount of money of that token or that coin that you want to buy. So on this instance, we're going to tap on airdrop. We'll tap on airdrop. Now they are going to charge us 0.92, which is 92 cents. That's why they'll charge us. So we'll click on approve. Then put our password if you have your password connected to it, which I've also made a video in the past on how to go about doing it. So you see it's connecting now. It's connecting now. You can see the airdrop is remaining about 17 days to go for the pre-sale to end. So it means they've not been launched yet. Now look at it. You say payment successful. So the airdrop should now be in our wallet. So we'll click on back button to go back to our wallet and see the airdrop. Let's see if the airdrop appears. We refresh it. Just drag it to refresh to see if the airdrop come up. No, the airdrop did not come out. You see, the airdrop did not come out. This is the issue so many people are having. At this instance, they will start panicking. You don't need to panic. Refresh it again. If the airdrop will fail to come out, that is where you now need the contract address. So let's go back to the contract address. So we now have to copy this time and copy the contract address. Copy. From beginning to end. You copy it. Then we'll go back to our Trust Wallet. Let me put my password again because you need password to operate. Now, since we are here now, the next thing we're going to do is to search for the coin, and we've just copied the address now. So to search for the coin, this is where we're going to come now. So we're going to go to that place I just circled now. Paste that contract address here to search for it. You see the coin is now here. So immediately the coin come out. We have seen the coin already. That means it's not enabled yet. Look at it where we're going to click now. So tap on that button to enable it. So in tapping that place to enable it now, we'll click on this place. It's enabled now. So we'll go back now. We're going to see the coin will be out. Look at the coin is here. 180 million ANUB tokens, which is Anubis token. You can see as simple as that. That's how you claim your airdrop. But if by peradventure you type your contract address here to search for that coin and the coin refuses to come out, you see add token. You see this add token. This is another place again. So many of us are getting it wrong. So if you tap it here to search for it and you fail to come up, then click on add token. All right, that contract address you have, you are going to make use of it now here. First thing first you need to do is come here, change that Ethereum, tap on it and change it to smart chain. Select smart chain. All right, then that contract address you have already, paste it here. And you notice I used to put it in the room that you can search for it manually. So by then I will be able to give the name. What is the name of the token? The name of the token I will use to paste it there. Anubis token. That's the name of the coin. Then the symbol is Anubis. Anubis. That's the name of the token. Then the decimal. Sometimes it is 0. Sometimes it's 18. All right. Sometimes it's 0. Sometimes it's 18. Sometimes I will also mention it in the where I'm sharing the airdrop in the room. So you'll be able to know that this is manual. You're going to do it. After you are done, you just come, tap on this place that says done. And that is just it. Instantly, the coin will appear. But I don't need to go that because the coin is already in my wallet, which you can see here. All right. So it's as simple as what I just showed you now. How to get this airdrop is very, very simple. This is how you keep claiming it. As far as you have money in your wallet, you can see they've just deducted my money from $1.60-something. You can see what I have now is just 66 cents. There are some airdrops that can charge you as low as 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents to be able to get your airdrop. But with this now, I've just gotten this. Now what is left is, so many people have been asking me to, how can I now convert this airdrop to money? This coin is not listed yet in any exchanger. It's just coming from the website direct. They are just coming to give it to people so that people will test it and see how powerful it is for them to get to know about this airdrop or about this token that is about to come out in the market. So they give it to people to test, to have a feel, to have it on hand. BTC did it in 2009. We were dashing people out. Thousands, millions of Bitcoin. Many of us were not opportune to have it then. That is why you see airdrop is now becoming common every day by day. All right, because so that people will be able to get to know about that token. So once it is listed now, you accumulate more. How do you accumulate more? By claiming more. As I've just done now, I can equally go back to the website again and claim another one again if I still have more money. Just all I need to do is just to tap on this. I'll come back to the website again, connect to the website, click on claim. But I'm sure I don't have much money on this wallet again. Let me click on airdrop. Let's see. You see insufficient smart chain. So which means I cannot claim because what they needed from me to be able to make this claim in a second time is 92 cents. And what I have in that wallet is not up to 92 cents. So you see, this is the way it's used to. Sometimes when you try it, it fails. Some people will start complaining. I don't know what is happening. I don't know. No. You see, online business, only thing online need more patience. They say every business need patience, but online is the worst. Without patience, you always give up. That's why I see sometimes some people jump inside the room. They don't know what we're doing there. And when they now figure it out that they cannot be able to focus, they are not patient enough to wait and understand what the system is all about, the next thing they do is they will exit from the room. So please, if you're that type of person, don't get close to me or to the airdrops or to the information I'm sharing in the room. If you know you're tired of being in the room, you don't understand anything, you don't want to even learn how to go about these things, please just leave the room. Because soon we'll start up the main work. And when we start up the main work, it's only those who remain in the room for as long as they want will be able to enjoy much in the room. So please, this is a very simple, easy thing. It doesn't need any much than this. You have just seen the airdrop has just been claimed. Very simple. Also to how you can transfer your BNB to your smart chain from Binance to this Trust Wallet has also been shown. In fact, I've made a video on that last month. It's also inside the room. So always make out time to go through the room, check what I've shared, check the videos, go through them, take action. Not to start sending me message, oh, I don't know how to go this, I don't know how to do this. We are all learning. Cryptocurrency is a new thing entirely in the space of the earth. So everybody's learning. I was not born with all this information. I practice. It is after my practice then I can now come up with all this information on how to go about this. So you to do the same. If I can make out time with my busy schedule to make all these videos for you to learn all these things, and you are not watching them, and you keep asking me the same questions, in fact, I feel bad about it. So do your part. All right? Mostly for those who will be attending the workshop too, all this information will be shared in the workshop live. We are going to do it live. And then we can also show them too how you can now convert it, when these airdrops are now listed, how can you now convert it to real cash and push out. We are going to do all that on Saturday, this coming Saturday, during our workshop. So thank you very much for watching this video, and look out for more other videos. Thank you very much. I remain a loyal friend, Paul Forrest. They used to call me the Crypto Pit Bull, which means action is needed. So we must make it from this crypto billionaire group. Thank you very much all for watching, and please take action after watching this video. All the best.